How to reset your Gemini password. First of all, open the Gemini app on your device and go to the sign in screen. Then enter your email address and tap continue. Below the password field, tap on the forget password option. Next, enter the email address associated with your Gemini account again and tap continue. Gemini will send the verification code to your email. Enter the code to verify your account. After verification, you will receive a password reset link in your email. Open the email and tap on the reset password link provided by Gemini. Once the link opens, you will be redirected to a secure page. Now create a new strong and unique password and re-enter it to confirm. After that, tap reset password or save and your password will be updated. Finally, return to the Gemini app and log in with your new password. Now you know how to reset your Gemini password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.